Take it, look at the changes I'm making. I'm just saying, baby. I'm just saying, baby. Nothing could ever change my love. Nothing could get in between us. Nothing could get in between. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Chris.
And it's your girl, Name. Today's video, guys, we're going to be reacting to most disturbing Ring doorbell videos of 2024 so far.
Let's get it.
He's still in their package.
What?
He just stole their package.
Wow. That's what is that? 4K.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Come on out. I'm tired of you, bro. Just you. Come on out. Just you. Just you. Come here. Just you. Just you. Just you. Suck my dick. Just you. Come here. Come outside. Open the door. Get upstairs. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Go.
Oh, they'll be back. That looks very suspicious. Wait, what did he going to get? Somebody's got smoke with somebody.
Shooting on McKinley Street.
Oh.
Ooh, it was a shooting.
We're not interested. Have a great day.
Puppy, what happened? Yo!
Get off me before he swung on me.
Yo, Puppy, what
Bitch ass
happened?
nigga.
Yo, Puppy,
What's up,
yo,
though?
Puppy.
Hello, what's up?
Puppy.
Hold on, whose phone is that? This your phone? It's my shit now.
Yo.
Oh, man.
Leave me alone. Dude, leave me the fuck alone.
Knock on the door.
Leave me alone.
Knock on it. Knock on
Leave
it.
me
Knock
alone.
on it.
Leave me alone. Leave me the fuck alone.
Disrespect me.
Stop this shit.
Disrespect
Leave me alone.
Disrespect me
You
again.
disrespect me. See what I mean?
What
Oh.
You know, you're a fuck. You just knocked my fucking shoes out, you motherfucker.
Oh, that was stuff.
You knocked my teeth out.
Well, you got it on camera, honey.
You're done, bitch.
Oh, random people fighting in front of the house.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Yeah.
thought they lived there. Wait, go back. Can
This
we go
is just
back?
getting caught on the ring
Hold
cam.
on.
Everything getting
I
caught on
thought
the
that
ring cam.
lady lived there.
No, this is just stuff just getting, caught on the camera.
Oh, man.
Yeah, come on.
You trying to take something too, huh?
What the?
What the?
What
Oh.
happened?
Oh.
Dang.
Why everybody always got a phone recording it?
What
Like,
happened?
she had beef with her or something?
Got ass some sight.
Oh, man. Oh.
Yeah, they definitely, that was personal.
The instigator just recording.
Can I help you? Can I help you?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just live in the neighborhood. I was taking.
Well,
I'll
don't
leave the property
trespass.
now.
That's called trespassing.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm leaving now. Give me your shit.
Hey, I'm gonna say that.
Oh, he's robbing her.
Oh snap!
Wait.
Oh my, no! That's crazy.
Get their tag, babe. Get their tag, girl. Oh. Oh my gosh.
What they take? Everything?
Probably her purse or her phone, her money.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Hit and run.
Oh. She's
Just-
taking the package.
Oh.
You're so brave with it.
People do that a lot, y'all. So y'all make sure y'all watch that.
Hold on, they don't even live there.
What's going on?
Right? They don't even live there. They're drilling into the log. They're breaking in the house. So breaking in my house around 12, that's crazy.
Wow.
That is, wow. Trying to get in a car?
No, you better not. You better not.
He sees
better
something in that car and he's gonna break that
You
window
better
to get
not.
it.
You better not.
He got a phone?
Kansas City. It's a shooting. It's gotta be something. Shots fired.
Trying to break the glass?
Hide your ring camera. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah.
They meant to do that? To like, what?
They trying to break the camera, homie.
Oh, are they?
They can't see what they doing. Yes.
Oh.
The fuck out of here. Yeah, I fucking caught you, stupid ass. Fuck out of here.
Whoa.
You opened the fucking door again.
What happened?
You heard me. The fuck out of here, that's what I said.
Wait, where's the person?
Who is it?
He was right here reaching in here and he was trying to open that
Who
car
is
door
it?
right now.
Watch out.
Don't go all the way up here. Get to here.
Who is it?
He's covered up. He's wearing a
Bunch
fucking
of
black
pirate
hoodie and walking around with bags all over him.
Got caught, didn't you? Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh, they just stealing shit. That's really, people really out here doing that. That's crazy. What the?
Girl.
Motherfucker. You better hide your fucking dog. If not, I'm going to kill you, fucking dirty bitch. I will, bitch.
What they gonna do? Robbery? No way. Rob this pharmacy twice. Oh, dang. People robbing pharmacies?
You'd be surprised, yeah. Oh my gosh. They came all in black, suited and booted, and
What could they actually get from that?
medication.
Yeah, I know that, but
All
they're
kinds
going to
of
sell the medication? What are you trying to do? Your face all in the camera. You trying to
Well,
stop?
hello.
You trying to break in? You are strong.
I think she's lost.
Weird lady.
Oh. What's he got in his hand? What has he got in his hand? Oh, no.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
What? So he got a knife in his hand?
Yeah, you trying to go kill
Oh
somebody,
my
hurt
god.
somebody.
He needs help for sure.
Man, nah, you need to go to jail.
Yeah. Oh man, shoes. Are they debating how to cut the door down? You can hear the alarm going off. Don't you only have like a certain amount of time before a police dispatch go there? Because the alarm's going off?
They trying to do whatever in there.
Oh my gosh. Here we go again. He's stuck. He can't get it. Oh. He got it. I'm gonna bring somebody to car watch it.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera.
Oh.
Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.
I think that's it. That was crazy, you guys. Oh my goodness. Make sure you got your cameras.
Man, 'cause you never know. It could be somebody weird, wandering. It could be a murderer. It could be
That's
anybody.
scary.
So you always got to make sure you got your cameras. And make sure that you got them hid. So
Yeah.
they cannot find that camera. Because you just never know the world. It's a lot of crazy, weird, crazy people in this world, man. You got to be
Yeah.
safe. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah.
Gotta give them cameras. They capture everything.
Man, that's crazy. Them cameras actually capture everything. And what's crazy is this type of stuff happens every day. Every day.
Man, the one that made me really whatever, I think, is the girl who got her purse robbed from her. Yeah, I think it was her purse that she had on her.
Yeah.
That was, oh man.
That was touching. That was
The lady who got hit by a car,
oh
hit and run, they just ran her over.
it's crazy.
Oh my gosh. Man, camera captures wildest, craziest things, you guys. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed our reaction. Let us know what part really got to you guys or stood out to you guys. And yeah, we'll see you guys in our next video. Peace.
God bless.